Hello guys. So this is how you create your courses and how you also create and assign projects in MyOn. So first of all, I'm going to use another teacher because I don't have your usernames or passwords. So, well, you log into Sistema Uno and, well, you go directly into MyOn. So you are going to see this screen in which you may have some groups or you need to create other ones, right? So imagine that we are going to create one. So you come here to classroom, then students, and here you see a button that says add a group. Imagine that I'm going to use fourth grade. So you type 4. And here you can see it's fourth grade and it's already created with 0 students assigned. So you need to go here and assign. In your case, as the school has 501, 302, so you type 4. And as you see here, you see letters. So imagine that 4A will be the equivalent for 401. So you say 4 dot and A if it's 401. If it's 4.B, you're gonna see 4.2 and so on and so forth. So you type in the first, you tick in the first one, so you choose all the students. Once that you have done it, you click on apply. And as you can see, 16 students are going to appear. That is the number that the students that this teacher has. Remember that this information comes from Sistema Uno directly. So in case that you need to move one student from one group to another, you just let Natalia knows, and she's going to let me know so I can fix that, okay? Because she cannot do it, right? So then you come here to projects. Once that you're in projects, you're going to click on create new project, or here in the cloud, if you want to, let's say, use another teacher's project that has created. Okay, so let's use create a new project. Every time that you see a title, it's mandatory. So you're gonna type the title, the animals, the animals. The due the due date is optional, but my recommendation is choose a due date. If you don't choose a due date, this project is going to be open for the whole year. So if you create more than one project, the student might be confused and is going to say like, hey, I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 projects and I don't know which project is going to be the one for this term. So in this case, imagine that I'm going to finish this project in March the 30th. So, and on March 31st, this project is going to disappear, right? So imagine due date, it's for projects to disappear. The description is not shown to students, it's for other teachers around the world. The tags are not for the teachers, sorry, for the students, are for the teachers around the world. If you want to mark as shared, it's because you want other teachers from around the world to check and see your project. And also, if you want to type this information, is for all teachers to see your project around the world. Project objective, you can type it. Yeah, with this book, students are going to develop something, right? And finally, you come here to the tasks. With this reading task, you assign the book. All these other tasks, we are going to explore them uh, in a while. So you click here, and as I told you, every time that you see a title, you need to type title. The animals could be the same name, yeah. By this time, you can check the reader settings and it's a disable audio, disable, 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 disable. My recommendation is just forget about this and don't disable anything because students are going to lose some features. You click here on manage books, and as you can see, it's the same filter or a filter that is very similar to the one that you have. So you click here on find books, and you see all the books. But my recommendation is come to this project to have everything already chosen. So you, for example, you're going to find animals, right? Find books. And I have already created, or I already know that this is the book that I'm going to be using, Disgusting Animals. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to, this is very important, to click outside the window to save. Click outside the window, and as you can see, look, now you see the name of the book here, and you are going to click here. And look, in the order tasks, now one project is here. Okay? So now you come here and save. By default, the project is inactive until you activate it. And look again, 0, 0, 0. So you're going to assign the project. You come here and again, remember like you created your groups? You type 4 dot and remember A if it's 401, B if it is 402, C if it is 403, so on and so forth. You tick here and all the students are assigned by default and you apply. And look, this number has changed. Now it says 16. So how can you check your students' processes? You type here in the I and it appears project status not started 16, started 0, finish 0. Once that your students have started, the names of your students are going to appear here. Okay? So this is how you assign a project and how you create a group. Again, this is the welcoming page. So if you come to Classroom and you click on projects, you are going to see your active project. You click on the eye and you see your students' processes, okay? If you have any question, just contact Natalia and she will let me know. Goodbye.